In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process of viewing and reading OST files using the PC.OST Viewer tool. To install the PC.OST Viewer tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to select from multiple categories of email data. Email data file, desktop email client, email accounts, email servers. Further, each email category offers users a variety of file types. Navigate to the email data file, where users can view various file type options, including OST, PST, OLM, MBOX, EML, MSG, and others. Click on the OST option and then select the Choose File from a folder option. Choose the OST file and then click the Open button. A panel showing the entire structure of OST file will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the content section of the preview. User also have the option to save attachments if there are any. Right-click on attachment to open or save attachments. Tool provides users with Open, Save and Save All option to save multiple attachments. Our tool provides users with various preview options, including content, properties, header, raw, and hex views. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.